Welcome back to Mind Voyages, Secrets of the Universe.
Today, we're going to talk about a monumental quest, a search for answers to a question that has captivated humanity for generations.
That's right. We're talking about the search for planets outside our own solar system, what we call exoplanets.
A planet orbiting a star other than our sun. That sounds incredible. But with them being so far away, how do we even find them? Can we even see them?
We can't see them directly and not with our eyes. That's because the star's light is so bright, a planet would be like a tiny grain of dust in front of a powerful floodlight. So instead, scientists have developed clever methods to find them indirectly by observing their effects on their parent star.
Indirectly? How does that work?
There are two main methods. The first is the transit method. When a planet passes in front of its star, it causes a tiny dip in the star's brightness. Think of a small bug flying in front of a bright lamp. The light dims slightly. Space telescopes are now so precise they can measure these minuscule changes in light. This is the most common way we find exoplanets today.
So, by watching the light dim, they can figure out how big the planet is and how fast it's orbiting. That's brilliant.
It is. Using this method, we've found fascinating systems like TRAPPIST-1, a star with 7 planets orbiting it. Some of these planets are rocky, similar to Earth, and are located within the habitable zone, where liquid water could potentially exist on the surface.
7 planets. It's like a mini solar system. That's an amazing discovery. What's the other method you mentioned?
The second is the Radial Velocity Method. A massive planet's gravitational pull causes its star to wobble slightly. This subtle wobble causes a tiny shift in the star's light spectrum. By measuring these color changes, scientists can calculate the planet's gravitational pull and, in turn, its mass and orbital speed.
So, how many exoplanets have we found so far using these methods?
We've discovered over 5,000 exoplanets. Some are similar to planets in our solar system, while others are completely alien. For example, we found hot Jupiters, gas giants like Jupiter, but orbiting incredibly close to their stars.
The biggest question in this search is, of course, is there life out there?
Absolutely. That's why scientists are focused on finding planets in the habitable zone. And with powerful new tools like the James Webb Telescope, we're now analyzing the atmospheres of these planets for signs of molecules like water and oxygen, which are essential for life as we know it.
So the chance of finding another Earth is better than ever.
It's a very exciting time. We've only just begun to explore a tiny fraction of the universe. Every new discovery reveals a little more about the universe's secrets.
The quest to understand the cosmos is a journey that will never end. Join us next time for another secret of the universe.
Until then, look up and keep wondering about the cosmos.
Final announcement. For more fascinating information about the secrets of the universe, be sure to subscribe to Mind Voyages for updates on our latest episodes.